Hi, I'm Robert Painter, a managing attorney with the Texas Immigration Law Council. A major piece of the next federal administration's plans to carry out mass deportations will likely involve greater reliance on a process known as expedited removal. Expedited removal allows immigration officials to detain and deport certain non-citizens quickly without a hearing before an immigration judge. If expanded to its statutory limits, expedited removal would apply to undocumented immigrants anywhere in the U.S. who cannot prove that they've been continuously present in the United States for at least 2 years. Here are some steps that you can take to protect yourself against expedited removal. First, carry photo identification from U.S. sources only. Identity documents showing that you were born outside of the United States can support an immigration official's belief that you are not lawfully present in the U.S. If possible, only carry forms of photo ID that do not list your nationality or place of birth, such as an enhanced library card or student ID. Second, carry proof of residency. You should always carry documents proving your continuous presence in the United States for at least the past 2 years. This can include copies of utility bills, pay stubs, or lease agreements. Make sure your name and the dates on the documents are clearly highlighted, and keep extra copies of these documents somewhere safe where your family member can access them. Third, know your rights. You have the right to remain silent when questioned by immigration officials. You do not have to answer questions about your immigration status or how you entered the U.S. without consulting an attorney first. Also, do not sign any documents presented to you by an immigration official without fully understanding them. Signing could waive your right to a hearing or other relief, or consent to your immediate removal from the United States. Fourth, prepare a safety plan. Share your information about your immigration status with a trusted friend or family member and develop a plan of action for your family and property in the event that you're detained. Make arrangements with your children's school to authorize friends or family to pick them up in case of emergency, and consider drafting a power of attorney to allow a trusted person to make decisions on behalf of your children and your property. Lastly, identify an attorney or legal aid organization that might be able to help in case of detention and decide who's going to contact them. Lastly, claim fear. If you are arrested and you have a legitimate fear of returning to your home country, you should loudly and repeatedly request a credible fear interview or reasonable fear interview so that you can be screened for eligibility for asylum before you are removed from the U.S. Keep following Texas ILC on social media for more information about how you can protect yourself and your family.